Good evening, it's the Black Wrench. This week, it'll be 10 years since we lost our dear Peter Steele. And I know we were planning to be at Duff's this week, today and tomorrow, and I know many of you were as well, but unfortunately we can't do that. So, to try to keep things in the spirit of celebration, I'm inviting all of you to John's Alcohol Relief Center here in Ohio, and we've got a special drink we're going to make today. After Victoria Winters and I have a few of these, we're going to be singing Type O Negative songs at the top of our lungs like we normally do at Duff's. So the drink tonight, it's a layered drink like last week. Last week we did the black and blue. This week we have a special drink. It is the Pyretta Blaze. Now the Pyretta Blaze is Type O Negative inspired. We've got black on the bottom and we've got green on the top. So the black on the bottom is Jager, Irreversible Decisions in a Bottle, Oh Dear God, combined with Lucid, Absinthe. So not only are we going to make bad decisions tonight, we're probably going to see shit. So now that we've poured our two together, it wouldn't be Pyretta Blaze unless it was a light. And it will light there we go. Nice blue flame. So I was going to drink this on fire, but the lovely Victoria decided that, or convinced me that that was probably a bad idea, that beard loss might be involved, so I decided against it. So instead of a beer, we're going to raise a glass of red wine and toast our dear Peter in honor of him. Stay negative.